Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Here's a description of a serene and sophisticated black and white minimalist bedroom, featuring modern furniture and the elegance of glass doors, color palette, graphic harmony. The room exudes a sense of calm and tranquility with a black and white color scheme. Crisp white walls and ceilings create a clean backdrop, while carefully placed black elements add depth and definition. This timeless combination allows for personalization with pops of color or metallic accents in accessories, modern touches and openness. Sleek furniture, low-profile platform beds with black leather headboards or white upholstered headboards offer clean lines and a modern aesthetic. Nightstands with clean lines and chrome or brass legs complement the bed. Consider a minimalist dresser in black or white lacquer for additional storage. Glass doors. Expansive glass doors play a key role, bathing the space in natural light and blurring the lines between the bedroom and the outdoors. These doors can lead to a private balcony, patio, or garden, creating a sense of spaciousness and connection with nature. Textural harmony and minimalist accents, play of materials. While the color scheme is simple, incorporate textures to add visual interest. A plush white area rug with a subtle geometric pattern in black or gray grounds the sleeping area. Woven black throw pillows on the bed add a touch of contrast and texture. Consider a statement piece like a black accent chair in a luxurious fabric, velvet or boucle, for a touch of warmth. Minimalist touches, keep accessories to a minimum. Opt for black metal wall sconces on either side of the bed for reading or task lighting. A single black and white photograph or geometric artwork above the headboard adds a touch of personality without overwhelming the clean lines. A simple black vase with a single white orchid on a nightstand adds a touch of elegance. Overall impression, this black and white minimalist bedroom with modern furniture and glass doors creates a serene and sophisticated retreat. The bold color contrast, clean lines, and high-quality materials exude a sense of modern luxury. The expansive glass doors flood the room with natural light and create a connection with the outdoors, fostering a calming and airy atmosphere. This is a perfect bedroom for those who appreciate a minimalist aesthetic, a focus on tranquility, and the benefits of natural light. Here are some compelling reasons to consider a minimalist black and white bedroom design with modern furniture and glass doors. Aesthetics and tranquility. Serene escape. The black and white color scheme creates a calming and serene atmosphere, ideal for promoting restful sleep. White walls and ceilings open up the space and promote a sense of peace, while black accents add a touch of sophistication. Modern appeal. Clean lines of modern furniture and the openness created by glass doors reinforce the contemporary aesthetic. This design is perfect for those who appreciate a sleek and sophisticated look in their bedroom. Connection with nature. Glass doors beautifully showcase any outdoor views you have. Whether a balcony, patio, or garden. This connection with nature can be incredibly calming and reduce stress levels. Functionality and benefits. Spacious feel. The black and white color palette, combined with the openness created by glass doors, makes even a small bedroom feel larger and brighter. The light reflects off the white walls and bounces through the glass, creating a sense of airiness. Improved sleep. Studies suggest that minimizing clutter and maintaining a cool color scheme can promote better sleep. This minimalist design with black and white tones can contribute to a more restful environment. Natural light advantage. Expansive glass doors allow ample natural light to flood the space during the day, reducing dependence on artificial lighting and creating a more energy-efficient bedroom. Natural light can also help regulate your sleep-wake cycle. Additional considerations. Balance is key. While black and white create a bold contrast, ensure a balance to avoid a sterile feel. Use white as the dominant color for walls and larger furniture pieces, and incorporate black through accents, furniture, or artwork. Texture for visual interest. Although the color scheme is simple, incorporate textures to add depth and intrigue. Consider woven throw pillows, a textured area rug, or a statement chair in a unique fabric. Lighting design. Lighting is crucial in a black and white bedroom. Utilize natural light during the day and layer artificial lighting in the evenings. Consider wall sconces on either side of the bed for reading and blackout curtains if needed for complete darkness during sleep. A minimalist black and white bedroom with modern furniture and glass doors offers a perfect blend of aesthetics and functionality. It creates a serene, spacious, and modern sleeping environment that promotes tranquility, natural light, and a connection with the outdoors. This design is ideal for those who appreciate a minimalist aesthetic, a focus on restful sleep and the benefits of natural light. Here's a roadmap to transform your bedroom into a minimalist haven in black and white, featuring modern furniture and the tranquility of expansive glass doors. 1. Assess your space and needs. Measure up, grab a tape measure and sketch a detailed layout of your bedroom. Include dimensions of walls, windows, especially glass doors, existing furniture placement, and any architectural features like closets or built-in shelves. This will help you plan furniture placement efficiently and ensure everything fits comfortably. Declutter ruthlessly. Minimalism thrives on less. Donate, sell, or store clothing, accessories, and other items you no longer need or use. This will free up space. Minimize visual clutter, and allow the black and white color scheme to truly shine. 2. Creating the black and white canvas, walls and ceiling. Choose a crisp white paint shade for the walls and ceiling. Flat paint finishes are ideal for a minimalist look, as they minimize imperfections and create a clean, smooth appearance. 3. Selecting modern furniture. Less is more. Start with a core set of furniture, a bed, nightstands, and perhaps a dresser. Opt for clean lines, simple forms, and functionality in black or white. Consider a platform bed with a black leather headboard for a bold statement, balanced with white nightstands for contrast. Material matters. Choose high-quality materials that complement the black and white theme. Black leather, white fabric upholstery, and sleek metal bases for furniture are all excellent choices. Consider incorporating a single statement piece like a black accent chair in a luxurious fabric, velvet or boucle, for a touch of warmth and texture. 4. Maximizing natural light. Sheer curtains, optional while glass doors provide ample natural light. Consider installing sheer white curtains for privacy and to diffuse harsh sunlight if needed. Opt for a simple curtain rod in black or chrome to maintain the clean lines. Lighting design. Plan for a layered lighting approach in the evenings. Wall sconces with black shades on either side of the bed provide task lighting for reading. Consider a dimmer switch for adjustable ambience. 5. Textural touches and minimalist accents. Area rug. Select a large area rug with a subtle geometric pattern in black and white or gray to define the sleeping area and add a touch of texture. Keep the rug size proportional to your bedroom space. Minimalist accents. Keep accessories to a minimum. Choose black metal wall sconces for reading or black and white artwork above the headboard for a touch of personality. Opt for a simple black vase with a single white orchid on a nightstand or a small black tray to hold minimal jewelry or accessories. Bonus tips. Inspiration boards. Create a mood board on Pinterest or gather magazine clippings to visualize your dream bedroom. Focus on minimalist black and white bedrooms with modern furniture and expansive glass doors for inspiration. Start small, don't feel pressured to overhaul everything at once. Begin with painting the walls, decluttering and replacing the curtains, if needed. Gradually add furniture and accessories over time. Consult a professional. Optional. Consider consulting an interior designer, especially if your space has an awkward layout or you need help finding the perfect balance between black and white elements and maximizing storage solutions. Remember, this is your bedroom, a sanctuary for rest and relaxation. Design a space that reflects your style and promotes a sense of calm sophistication. Embrace the contrast of black and white, soften it with textures, and allow natural light to be the true star. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.